Hello people, welcome one and all to Jojo's Learning Club.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jojo's Learning Club. So today we will discuss on chapter 2 relations and functions NCERT Max class 11th. On my previous video we have discussed so far about the chapter 1 sets, right, where we have discussed about what are sets, what are the different properties of sets, what are the different laws used in sets, and also about how to perform intersection and union on sets, right. Now we will study about linking pair of elements from two sets, that is two different sets, and then introduce some relation between these two elements. This is what we are going to learn in relations and functions. To understand more about relations, we need to understand what is a Cartesian product of a set. For example, here you can see two sets, right? So this is represented using arrow diagram. How you used to make Venn diagram for a single set. To make relation between two different sets, we can represent it either using set builder form, roster form, also using arrow diagram. I have used here arrow diagram to represent the two different sets. So A cross B is called the Cartesian product of set. When there are two non-empty sets such as A and B shown over here, the set of all ordered pairs is called the Cartesian product of set. How can you make the set of all ordered pairs where X belongs to A and Y belongs to B? X is what actually it can take values 1, 2 and 3, and y is what it is actually belongs to B and it can take values 4 and 5. So what are the all set of all possible ordered pairs? 1 and 4, 1 and 5, right? Again 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 3 and 5. So that is what A cross B is. And similarly, how can you then form B cross A? B cross A means set of all ordered pairs. In A cross B it was XY. So how it would be in B cross A? YX, where Y belongs to B and X belongs to A. So how it would be 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, right? Again 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Let's check the answers. Right, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Again here it is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. This is how you represent that in a set builder form. Okay, so now we'll discuss some facts about the Cartesian product of sets. That is, first one is that two ordered pairs are said to be equal if and only if the first element are equal and the second elements of that are also equal. Only if the for the ordered pairs, that is x is equal to u and y is equal to v, we can say that this is an ordered pair. That is the ordered pairs are equal. Again, if n of A is equal to P, what is this n of A? N of A is the number of elements of A. For example, in this case, n of A is equal to P. What is the value of P? 3. Okay, so if n of A equal to P and n of B is equal to Q, then number of elements of A cross B will be P cross Q. So let's take the same example before. That is, 3 elements here and n of B, Q's value is 2 because 4 and 5. So n of A cross B, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So actually how you should get that? N of A is 3. N of B is 2. So n of A cross B is what? 3 into 2, that is 6. Number of elements of A cross B is 6 and that is true. And the third property again, A cross A cross A. That is ABC, where ABC belongs to A, and we can say that here ABC is called an ordered triplet. Okay, so this is one of the other property of Cartesian products of a set. Now let's understand more about what are relations. Actually, a relation from a set A to B is said to be a subset of the Cartesian product of Cartesian product of A and B, that is A cross B. So relation is nothing but it is a subset which is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pair, and it is also the subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Okay, Cartesian product of set, that is A cross B. So that is what all about relation. Relation is actually a subset of the Cartesian product of set. Then what is domain and range? That is an important important chapter to understand. So what is domain? Domain is actually called the set of all first elements in a relation. So if you represent a relation, you can see that all the first elements that compose of the domain, that is 1 minus 2 is the domain of that set. Again, range. The range is the set of all second elements in a relation. For example, here a relation is given 1, 5, minus 2, minus 5. So the range of this relation R is what? 5 and minus 5. And this set of all second elements are also called images. You can either say it as range, or also you can say that image of X is what formed at range of R. So this is how you represent it separately, domain and range. I hope it's clear. Relations can be also represented in three forms. First one is the roster form, that is in the easiest way. Then set builder form, that is also easy. Arrow diagrams is like a visual representation for sets, and this is what we commonly use to find a relationship between two sets, or to represent a relationship between two different sets. Let's consider now n of a equal to n of a equal to p, and n of b is equal to q. Then n of a cross b is equal to pq. That we know that, right? Then the total number of possible relations from set A to set B is given by 2 raised to pq. That is 2 raised to pq number of relations we can form from set A to set B if there are P and Q elements in A and B. I hope it's clear. Now let's understand more about what are functions. A function is a special kind of relation where a relation f from set A to set B is said to be function if every element of A, that is every element of set A, has only one image in set B. That is, for you can see here example. In set example, 1 is related to element 4, 2 is related to 6, and 3 is related to 5. You can see that all the elements in the domain of a function is having only one image in their codomain. That is the y, the second, where the image is formed, the second element, that you can also say in a function as a codomain. And the first elements are called domain in a function. Let's understand more that. So if a function is written from x to y, this notation is also, you can see that f is a function. For function, as I said, a function is a special kind of relation, right? So it is a function that is a relation such that no two pairs in the relation has the same first element. That is, you can see that in domain, no two elements have the same first element. Every element in the domain has only one and only one image in the set B. F is a function from x to y. So x is called the domain and y is the codomain. So for an element x belonging to x, that is the first element domain, there is a unique element y in y. So for every element x, there is a unique element in y where y is belongs to the set y, small y I mean, right? Small y which belongs to y. So this y can be also said as value of f at x, because it is a function, right? And the value of f at x, the value of y can be also said as value of f at x, or it can be also said as the image of x under f, or you can simply represent it as y is a function of x. I hope it's clear. Don't worry about this. You will understand this more through functions and also while doing practical sections on it. Then about what is a range of f. That is a range of function. Range of function is nothing but the set of all values of f of x for, or the image of x under f. When we collect all these values of f of x together, it forms the range of the function. The range of function in set builder form can be written as y is a set such that y belongs to y, where y is equal to f of x for some x in x. That's how you represent it in set builder form. That's all about functions, and on my next video we will learn about the different kinds of functions, that are what is identity function, what is a constant function, then polynomial function, rational function, modulus function, signum function, and greatest integer function. That's all for today, and let's see you on my next video. Bye bye.